We got a problem in this country, folks. And my question is, if I get found with a gunshot wound to my head and I'm dead, the question will be, who pulled the trigger? If my finger applied pressure to that lever that discharged that firearm, so be it. But who really pulled that trigger? I say the justice system. The government pulled that trigger. And so did the medical community. I don't want to go to hell when I die. But I don't want to share eternity in heaven with anybody who's satanic. Fortunately, the Bible says I won't have to. I'm supposed to desire for everyone to stand up against evil and be upright, find their path to heaven. It's not going to happen, of course. And I'm so hurt beyond repair, I don't want them to even have the opportunity of salvation. I just want them to die and go to hell. That's it. Then they can't harm me anymore. And they will receive justice for their sin. And again, if you're not with me, you're against me. I am against child abuse. I am against the murder and harming of the innocent. I'm against theft. Of course, I'm against sexual crimes as well. But if it's adult on adult, that idea of sexual crime is so blurred now. And a really easy way to solve it is marriage. Especially before you have the children. Because let's face it, you have children before you're married. What's the stat? Like 80% of the time, it's going to end up with a child being abused by a single mother. It is what it is. I'm so sick of the abuse. And it's systemic. It's encouraged by welfare. We call that hashtag babies for benefits. Hashtag fuck the police. Now is another one of my mottos. Hashtag TTT and TTO. Take the testicles and take the ovaries. Anybody who commits irresponsible reproduction deserves to have that ability removed from them. I mean, if they're allowed to circumcise me at birth without my approval, mutilating my penis, they're allowed to have children at 13 and 14 years old, that shouldn't be allowed. That should be a crime. It should be a crime to have a child before you are an adult. And I think that the crime, the blame of that crime, if it's, again, before adulthood, is a parent of that child, and that child is doomed. It's evolution.